Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's topic is how to switch to dark mode in Windows 11. Light mode is typically the standard for most computers, but a lot of people are making the switch to dark mode. Dark mode is a popular setting in Google Apps, social media apps, and in most web browsers. Dark mode also has the following benefits: aesthetic preference, easier on the eyes, better for dark locations, and preserves battery. Let's look at how to use dark mode in Windows 11. Log on to your Windows 11 machine. Right-click on the Start button and then click Settings. In the Settings window, click on Personalization in the menu on the left. In the center of the Personalization window, left-click on Colors. In the center of the Colors window, click the drop-down list to the right of Choose Your Mode and left-click Dark. Do you have questions about using Windows 11? The contact information is listed here. Also, if you would like to learn more about Windows 11, check out our Windows 11 courses on the State Learning Management System.